finally pulling up. Why is this car so quiet right now? Oh, there it is. Hey, buddy.
I can't see.
Don't worry about it. He scraped so bad. I wish I got it on camera. I talk a little loud because I don't want to get copyrighted, but golly. Oh, these are sick. Yeah. Literally tuning it. Oh, you're all good, man. A Whippled Hellcat. Now, this looks sick. Yeah, that's sick. Sounds like they're doing dyno pulls. We gotta get our ass in there. Bro, this shop is sick. Like, this thing's packed. God. Yo, this is sick. Man, if this thing downshift next to me, I'm calling the cops. I'm not gonna lie, because this is ridiculous. But what I really want to see is this Mustang over here, dude. This thing has a parachute. I'm guessing, I think it's Pro Charge. Yo, this thing is sick. Carbon hood. Don't know where the bumper is, but let's see the big little blow-off valve. The end goal is to definitely boost the Mustang. I want a Pro Charger so bad, but it's so much money. But one day I'm going to. Watch, I will. But man, just seeing things like this, it motivates me, man. It motivates me. Beautiful R34. It's crazy to see these cars actually in the US now. You guys definitely seen this car on TikTok before. This thing's badass, bro. Oh, this thing's a beauty. Holy shit. Holy. That's Gabe. What the fuck? That was literally Gabe Farrell. What is he doing? I didn't know he was out here for this weekend for it. That was pretty sick. I did not expect that. All right, y'all. So it's the next day. Oh. We're over at the drag strip right now. I currently forgot my camera at home, so my sister's on the way to bring it. But for right now, it's the next day, as you can see. We're over here at the drag strip. About to watch some roll racing and a little bit of drag racing also right after this. But I'm hoping once I get in, I can catch some of the roll racing for you guys. And then the quality's gonna be way better. Just give it some time. Camera's on the way. But time for a fun day. Man. Damn. I have no clue what that was, but bro sounded like it was a war going on. That was insane. Yeah, I'm hyped. Gonna be a fire video. That was definitely a Z01 or a Z06. That whine sounded insane. I want a vet. Guys, I want a vet. I love the Mustang. I want to boost the Mustang, but I want a vet. Bro, that, I don't know. I'm up and down. Up and down. So, I'm in the spectator parking right now, and let me just show you guys. Bro, spectator? Why is dude not on the track racing? Dude. This thing is beautiful. I'm sure everybody knows. See a white R8, you think of Gabe. Funny enough, I was literally the next day, his car caught on fire. But that night, when I last recorded, I was able to hear it, and that thing was just, man, that thing just sounded insane. So sad to see that go away. But knowing Gabe, he's gonna have a new R8 built already by next week. But for that thing to be in the spectator and not road racing right now, that's insane. Got everybody lined up. Oh yeah, this is sick. So check out what seems to be a boosted Stang, the Z01 5th gen. The goal next year, be able to do this and be boosted. That'd be sick. I can do it. How? I don't know, but I can do it. So the next Camaro up right now, super freaking loud. I've been on plenty of cruises with him, and he recently went dumb. Ear piercing, guys. So wait till you guys hear this thing fly by. Yeah, told you. Like the vet missed shift. 130. See what I mean though? Like the Chevy motor just sounds so good. So good. I need one. I need one. Damn. That boosted vet was spinning. Hey, spinny's winning, I guess. Oh shit, guys. Twin turbo R8 versus twin turbo Dodge Viper. What y'all got? Drop it in the comments. I got the Viper. I got the Viper. Yeah. God. What the? 167 the Viper hit. Bro, those cars are insane. I'd be shitting bricks. I ain't even gonna lie. But now we got a big turbo Supra and a twin turbo R8. Nope. I got the R8. Yeah, oh my. Bro, this is insane. Dude, I just don't understand, bro. I can't do that power stuff. Like, my little stock Coyote scares me, bro. Imagine 1,400 horsepower, bro. Nah. And do not put me in a passenger one either, because I'm not doing it. Demon 170. Holy shit. I didn't know they had the capability of that. That's the first time I ever seen a Demon 170 in person move. Like, do an actual pull, and that thing was insane. I wish they were lighter. Dodges were lighter. Oh my gosh, they would take over the scene. Call me Glazzy. I don't care. All right, guys, back on the camera now. A lot smoother, a lot more clear. Audio is gonna be a little better. iPhone came in clutch, but time for the real action. Supra sounds insane. What the? 182? 182 is insane, bro. I can't imagine going that fast. GTR and GTR crime. Yeah. God damn. Bro, what the fuck? 198? He almost smacked this wall and then stayed in it and hit 198. Dude, that's insane, bro. I need a vet. I need a vet. Can we sell your car and get a vet?
The fuck?
Man, don't nobody care about that little STI. Somebody like the way it looks. Your shit looks like an egg roll. How about that? Alright, let's see, guys. Oh my gosh. 202. Now we're gonna go look at some cars. First up, crazy Mustang. I seen this thing on, let's say, Instagram, on TikTok. This thing's beautiful, bro. I love this green. And then look at this. This is ridiculous right here. Oh my gosh, the holy grail lineup, bro. And then you got a twin turbo F-150 as well. I know you guys seen this Corvette before. Look at this thing. Oh my goodness. Look at the size of that turbo, dude. That's ridiculous. Now this is something you never see. 2 back-to-back C7 ZR1s, dude. Oh my goodness. Dude. These things are beautiful, bro. Oh my gosh. Bro. This is a LS? It is. Nah, that's sick. That is sick, dude. This is ridiculous, bro. I'm overwhelmed. I can only imagine going to Texas 2K. I would not know what to film at all. Oh, look at this Fox body. We got the Camaro right here. Then you got another Camaro. Dude, this is ridiculous. And we got my guy, Gabe's Hellcat. How you doing, man?
Chilling.
You running today or no? Dude, this looks ridiculous. Then we got a 5th gen ZL1. This is clean. I just know that probably sounds sick. Beautiful CTSV. Got Donnie. Best looking Z, in my opinion, that I've ever seen. Bro blew his engine. 1 week later, put a new engine. The turbo's bigger than the car. That's so sick. Just chilling in the lots. This G82 was going crazy on the track. Bro was absolutely moving. And he was so quiet too. Little sneaky killer. This thing is beautiful. Ooh, the GTR is going. Yeah! That's it. That was the GTR on the Lamborghini. Oh, this thing's beautiful. Oh my gosh. Not only did we see C701, a C601. The holy grail. This thing is sick, bro. Oh my gosh. This is sick. Such a clean, simple build. Perfectly done. Props to him. Got beautiful Viper, Audi R8, clean M3, but look at this. Ruby Star, big turbo. Oh my gosh. This is sick. Yeah, this thing's beautiful. Hello. Beautiful build. Beautiful color. Beautiful car. Beautiful turbo. Okay, so right now the drivers are having a meeting for drag racing. We're gonna go ahead and get over there and get in our spot. And once that starts kicking back up, I'll get back right to you. Alright. First round, small tire. That's crazy. That's considered a small tire? That is funny. I never understood how that worked. Maybe small tire means like 15-inch and lower, I think. Not too sure. Damn.
We're gonna park the next pair.
Boy, moving. That thing sounded amazing, dude. The way that you can just see suspension just work. Holy shit. Golly. Man, I really wish I had the chance to go to Texas 2K. I wasn't able to go last year or the other years or this year, but I need to go next year. Oh my gosh. These cars are insane, dude. I want to like go up to each and every one and be like, how much money did you put in this car? Because I just know it ain't cheap. It'll never be cheap, but I just want to know like down like to the point like how much this and that, blah blah blah. That'd be pretty cool. I gotta find someone and then do a video with them. Let's see this thing boogie, man. An 8.9 at 160 miles an hour. Alright guys, I had to get up. My butt was going numb. I couldn't feel anything. But over here by the cars and stuff, go ahead and show you some of the cars just chilling in the lanes right now. It's pretty sick. I'm not even sure if I'm supposed to be over here, or we're just going to stand here and act like I'm supposed to be over here. Being this close is insane, guys. Golly. Well, I guess I could be over here, so let's see how long I can stay. You guys are enjoying this as much as I am. My camera is almost about to die, so I gotta put it away, but I'll bring it out whenever something crazy. Holy shit, man. Oh yeah, this is gonna be crazy. Bro. What the? That is insane, bro. Those cars are ridiculous, dude. 214 miles an hour, bro. I can't imagine that at all. This thing is sick, bro. Look at the exhaust coming out the side. I ain't never seen nothing like that before. You got the hood right here. The twin turbo F-150. This is sick, bro. These things are amazing right here. These are sick. I need these for my car. Even though I don't need them, they look good. I know. What we came here for. After this, I'm going home. It's freezing out here, but last pass he ran a 214 mile an hour pass. So let's see what he got in the bag today. Yeah. Let's see what he do this time. It's just not going his way. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Today was really fun. A lot of fast cars. Seen some crazy builds. So until next time, see you guys when I see you guys. God bless y'all. Peace.